In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the load failed save game error code E00 in Forza Horizon 6. Let's get started. First, if you are playing through Steam, open Steam and go to your game library. Find Forza Horizon 6, right click on it and select Properties. Click on Installed Apps, then click on the option Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your game installation and automatically repair any missing or corrupted files. If you are playing through Xbox app on PC, open Xbox and click on three dots next to the game, select Manage, then use Verify and Repair option. Once the verification process is complete, the next step is to open your game directory. In Steam, you can do this by clicking Browse under the Install File section. Inside the game folder, locate the main exe file for the game. Right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to Compatibility tab and enable both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. After enabling these options, click Apply and then OK. Next, open Steam again and switch Steam into offline mode. Once Steam is offline, launch the game and play for 1 or 2 minutes. After that, reconnect Steam back to online mode. This allows the game to properly sync your save files with the cloud again, which often fixes the E00 save game error. Once the sync finishes, restart the game and check if the problem has been resolved. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.